Hi everyone, this is your intelligent practice then for Thursday's lesson on week 5. So we are substituting in simple expressions. So fairly straightforward on this first bit. The shapes are worth different amounts. Can you work out the total? And here, different shapes, different amounts. And then using these two numbers, these two shapes for your reasoning, can you create your own calculation that will give me an answer that's equal to 22? So how would you draw that out using the triangle and the square as your substitutions for the numbers? Then we've got here with letters now. So A is 7, B is 5. Can you work out what each of these are? Now I've put a little star here because these are the two slightly trickier ones. In fact, this one is a tiny bit tricky as well. But if you've watched the guided video, then it shouldn't be a problem. If you haven't watched the guided video, well, then go back and watch the guided video. And then hopefully that will make sense to you. And then your reasoning question is BA the same as AB? And either way, I'd like you to prove it with some examples. Send them in to us, please. Right, slightly trickier, and I'm only saying slightly because there is a decimal number involved here. Can you substitute the following values to work out the values of the expression? So W is 3 in each one, X is 5, and Y is 2.5 in each one. Same here, slightly trickier, and I'm again saying slightly because we've got now a decimal and a fraction. Think about what a quarter actually means. You could think of it as a decimal, if that helps. 0.25, hopefully you can remember that one famous fraction. So think about what a quarter actually means while you're doing those, okay? And then, let me just move that out of the way. There we go. So we've got 2x add 1 and 2x take away 1. Substitute your own values for x into the expressions above. Are there any patterns in your answers? I'd very strongly suggest working systematically here. So make x equal to 1 first on both sides. Then make x equal to 2. You can have a little list going down your page, a list here of these ones and a list here of these ones. X is 3, what's your answer? And so on. See if there's anything that you can spot there. And then the second reason that I've snuck in here is 10y take away y the same as 9y? And can you prove that? That's similar to when we were simplifying these expressions, okay, which I think was yesterday's lesson. So is 10y take away y the same as 9y? And prove it either way, please. Okay, just a brief one for dive deeper then. There's two formulae here. Can you find the value of C when A is equal to 10? So if A is 10, can you work out the value of C? They're linked together. You've got to put A into this one first to work out what P is, so that you can then know what P is for here. Okay, hopefully that will make some sense. And then, sorry, this thing keeps getting in the way today. Well, do you know what? I'll let you read it. But you have to see if Amir is Whitney correct. Amir is wrong. Why? So try and explain yourself. They're saying two things. Is Whitney correct? Why? Amir is definitely wrong. Why? Okay. And then a nice little one here. In fact, you might want to do this one before you do the others, if I'm perfectly honest. X is 2. What's 5x? What's 5x take away 1? Same and same. And now you need to work out things backwards. So go inverse to here. And then on this one, you need to go inverse once and then twice. Same on the last one. Sorry, I should have said that you can work the right way that way to get to your final one. Right, there are answers obviously on the next two slides. You can mark your own. Do please actually do the working out and not just writing down the answers from the answer sheet. That is of no use to you or us. Please do send us your work on Purple Mash or on Class Dojo to your portfolio, whichever is easiest for you and your parents. Okay, right, we're nearly on to Friday's lesson, so I will speak to you on Friday.